This question is about fuels. Crude oil is separated into fractions by fractional distillation. State the meaning of the term fraction in this context. So when we're doing fractional distillation, we're separating compounds based on the fact that they have similar boiling points. So a fraction is a mixture of compounds with similar boiling points. Petrol for cars contains branched and cyclic alkanes produced by catalytic cracking. Identify the catalyst used in this process. So thermal cracking is high temperature and high pressure. Catalytic cracking is a high temperature, a slight pressure, and we use a zeolite catalyst. Now, if you can remember, it sort of rhymes if you say high, slight, zeolite as your catalyst in catalytic cracking. 3-ethyl-4-methyl hexane is a branched alkane in petrol. Draw the skeletal formula of this alkane. So we're going to start with the stem. So we're going to start with hexane. So we want to draw 6 carbons. And then we're going to go to the third one and draw a 2-carbon chain. Try and make that line a little bit straighter. And then we're going to go to the 4th carbon and draw a 1-carbon chain. Give the equation for the complete combustion of 3-ethyl-4-methyl hexane. Use molecular formula. So that means we're not drawing the skeletal formula. Now you could add it up on the diagram, but because it's an alkane, we can add up the number of carbons. So eth means 2, meth means 1, hex means 6. So that's 9 carbons in total. And then because it's an alkane, 2n plus 2, double it, 18, add 2. Complete combustion, reaction with oxygen, excess oxygen. And we're going to make CO2 because we're doing complete combustion and water. 9 C's gives us 9 CO2s and 20 hydrogens gives us 10 waters. If we add up the oxygens, 9 2s are 18 and 10 1s is 10, that's 28. And if you then take 28 and split it in 2 because of O2, you get 14 oxygens. Carbon dioxide is a product from the combustion of petrol in cars. Carbon dioxide acts as a greenhouse gas when it absorbs radiation, infrared radiation. Give one reason carbon dioxide absorbs infrared radiation. Well, the idea is that the CO bonds vibrate at IR frequencies and that is because the C double bond O bonds are polar, so we can write one or other of those reasons. Nitrogen monoxide, NO, is formed when petrol is burned in cars. State one environmental problem that NO causes. Well, NO is a contributor to acid rain, like nitric acids. It also causes respiratory problems. State what is used to remove NO from the exhaust gases formed in petrol-fueled cars. Well, it's removed using the catalytic converter. Where we have the platinum, the rhodium, or the palladium catalysts removing the NO gases, perhaps by combination with CO or by combination with hydrocarbons to remove them. Petrol sold in the UK contains 10% bioethanol. Bioethanol is ethanol made from crops by fermentation and is considered to be carbon neutral. What is meant by the term carbon neutral? So we want to say that if something is carbon neutral, there is no net emissions of carbon dioxide. So whatever carbon dioxide is emitted is counterbalanced by the amount of carbon dioxide absorbed in the production of that biofuel.